Hey guys, good morning. I'm actually vlogging after a very long time. That's because I was quite busy with my Onam series video, which is already up in my Malayalam channel. It was hell lot of hard work, guys. I always say this. Sometimes I feel that it's not right to say that I'm very busy. It's very difficult. I'm doing YouTube just because it gives me immense happiness. So that's the reason I'm doing YouTube. So it's not like I'm complaining, but then it was little hard this time. It is 10 videos which is related to Onam. By the way, guys, I'll be doing the same series in English channel, this Asvi be creative as well, but then only 5. I don't think I can do all the 10 together. That would be too much. So there will be Onam special videos, 5 videos in Asvi be creative as well. And by the way, guys, I am wearing Stay Quirky. I woke up like this liquid lipstick. I have worn this lipstick in my Klep factory haul, and lot of you guys asked me which lipstick it is because all of you guys loved it, and even I like it very much because it's perfect nude, especially for dusky skin tone. So I have already done a swatch video on my hands as well as on my lips, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So Stay Quirky liquid lipstick comes in a carton packaging like so, which has all the details including manufacturing date and expiry date and also price details as well. It retails for $4.49, but then there will be always discount in purple.com. So today it was for 350 rupees, so always check for discount. Okay, now the actual packaging is like so. It is plastic packaging and it's really nice and compact, which is very travel friendly as well. So when we open it, you guys can see that the applicator is very small. The doe food applicator is a little bit slanting and there's a small dent as well. So since it is very small applicator, it is very easy to apply lipstick. We can apply it very precisely, which is something I really like. Since it has got small dent inside it, we need not take liquid lipstick again and again. With just one swipe we get amazing pigmentation. Okay, so this is a red shade which is going to suit all skin tone really well, and right from fair to medium to deeper skin tone. It is, I think it has got slight blue undertone as well, which just brightens up our skin. Now let's see whether it is transfer proof. So I've taken a cotton pad and I have put it on lips very hard. I've given good amount of pressure, and then you can see that there is no transfer at all. So it is 100% transfer proof liquid lipstick. Okay, now let's see whether it is waterproof. I have applied a little bit of water, and then again with the same cotton pad I'm just pressing my lips, and you guys can see again there is no transfer whatsoever. So it is 100% waterproof as well. Now let's see whether we can remove this liquid lipstick with oil. I wouldn't say we can easily remove it. We need to apply a little bit of pressure when we are applying oil, but then if we are using a makeup remover, it very easily removes it. So it is better to use makeup remover, but then it works with oil as well. So then if you guys can see the texture, it is not liquidy as well as it is not that creamy as well. So texture wise it's okay, nothing bad actually. I actually liked it. Now this is a purple shade, which is an amazing shade actually, even though I am not that comfortable wearing this bold shade. I think this suits dusky skin tone also really well, which I didn't expect at all. This is suiting me actually, which I'm quite surprised, and I kind of like it, but I don't see myself wearing it a lot. Now next shade is a maroonish shade. It's not a proper maroon. It is kind of a very light, what should we say, peachy, pinkish, little bit of maroon undertone. That's it. And this shade I actually didn't like it. I feel that it's a little bit bright. Fair skin tone people can definitely wear this. This is going to be an amazing shade for you guys. Even someone who is 1 or 2 shades lighter to me can wear it. It's good but for me it didn't suit much. Next one is again a purple shade, and this is again a very different shade, and surprisingly this has got a light shine. Even though this is matte lipstick, I feel that this particular shade has got a little bit of shine to it. which I don't know why. And this shade is actually good, but then I'm not comfortable wearing it. I don't think I'm gonna use it. Next one is a pinkish shade. This 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 completely wash me out. This doesn't suit me at all. Definitely fair skin people can wear it. It's gonna be amazing for you. Medium, dusky, deeper skin tone, I don't think this gonna suit you. It's absolutely gonna wash you out. As you guys can see on myself, it looks really weird, so I didn't like it at all. So next one is my favorite shade. It is a brownish shade, and the shade name is I Woke Up Like This. This is a shade I have worn in this video, in this vlog. It's absolutely gorgeous nude shade, which is gonna suit a dusky skin tone very well. Look at it, guys. It's a perfect nude for me. After getting this lipstick, I have been wearing this continuously. Whenever I go out, I wear this. One more thing I need to tell you guys is that it is slightly drying on lips. It is not the most comfortable liquid lipstick, so please do keep that in mind. I have been using this liquid lipstick for almost 2 weeks and I quite like it. So but then I thought I will just show you guys how it performs throughout this day. So I've applied this liquid lipstick at 10 a.m. Now it's almost 11:30 a.m. I think you guys can see. Nope. And now it is 11:24. That is almost 1.5 hours, and you guys can see it is still intact and it is very comfortable on lips. It is very light. I wouldn't say it is the lightest lipstick I have ever tried. I feel that Nykaa liquid lipstick is much more lighter than this, but this one is also comfortable. It's not like very heavy and all. It's definitely lightweight. So all we need to test is how long it is gonna stay. So I know that it is gonna stay for good 6 to 7 hours for sure. But then I just wanted to show you guys. Right now I'm editing a vlog which is gonna go up today, I guess. I want to make it go up today. By the way, guys, I'm really happy with the response I'm getting from Asvi Malayalam channel for my Onam special video series. So I've already uploaded 2 of them and I got so much of love from you guys. I know a lot of Malayalis do watch my Asvi Be Creative vlogs as well. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. And for all the non-Malayalis, I will be uploading it in English. It is an Asvi Be Creative pretty soon. So please do wait for that. And we already had our breakfast and Ima is right now watching TV. I know a lot of you guys do ask me like, oh, do I give her screen time? Of course I do. I do let her watch TV, but then no mobiles at all. I do let her watch TV for maybe half an hour, not more than that. When I am working sometimes or when I'm cooking, I do let her watch TV because without that I can't do my work. So she's right now watching TV. So I have already cooked lunch, which I'll be showing you guys right now. So here is rice and there's a side dish, bindi side dish. And I didn't prepare any curry because I didn't get time to. So I'll be having curd and this bindi side dish and rice. That's it. So for last few days I'm not getting that much time to cook because the truth is I don't get time after filming and shooting and editing. So it gets little. But then after Onam special videos I will be back in track. I won't be putting these many videos for sure. So I'll be getting more time to cook. Now I will quickly finish off my editing and then I will have to feed Ima. Now I have prepared a salad for myself and for Ima. So this is cucumber and chena, and I have just put in a little bit of salt and few drops of lime juice. Me and Ima, we both love it, so we are having that. And as I have told you guys, my lunch is already prepared. So I was free after that. Then I gave Ima her lunch, and this is what I'm gonna have for lunch: rice, as I have told you guys, as I have already shown you guys, bindi side dish, and there was leftover brinjal side dish as well. And this is homemade curd, so we'll be having this with that. And with that, our lunch is done. So this is how my lipstick looks after having lunch. You guys can see that it has faded from inside a bit, not a lot, but then it's still intact, as you guys can completely transfer. Now I'm gonna make Ima sleep and then I will get back to editing. Now I'm gonna make a paramburi or banana fritters. I think you guys must have already seen me making this paramburi in one of my vlogs. So I've made that with besan. Today I'll be making with maida. So I've taken 1 cup of maida. To that I've added um, 1 spoon of rice flour, which would make it a little bit more crispy, and to that I've added 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of turmeric powder, and then I'll be adding water little by little and mixing it really well. So make sure that you get the exact consistency is very important. It should not be liquidy nor very thick. It should be somewhere in between. So consistency of batter is very important while we are making banana fritters. And once we get the exact consistency, we can make banana fritters. I felt that the color was really less, so I added a pinch more of turmeric powder so that it has got a yellow color to it. And then I have cut banana like so. It's up to you guys. You can cut it in the way you want. You can cut it at slanting to round shape, so it's all up to you. I usually prefer to cut it in round shape. I feel that it is much more easier to have, but then just for a change I cut it in this way. And now I'll be dipping it in this batter. As you guys can see, it has this batter has really covered this banana very well. So that is why we say that we need to get the correct consistency for this. And then keep doing it. Once it is cooked, just flip it over to other side, and that's it. It's as simple as that. But then we absolutely love this, guys. So whenever we have this banana at our home, and especially when this bananas gets blacker and blacker, we don't like to have it as it is, but for making paramburi, that is the best. So not just me and Vivek, Ima also loves it. So earlier I never used to give her this kind of food which is fried in oil and all, but then she's gonna be 2 very soon. So now I think that it's okay to give her this oil fried food and all once in a while. There is nothing wrong in that. And anyways, this pure coconut oil, and I feel that it's good for their health. It's not gonna do any harm. And then I just fried it. It is completely cooked. It is nice and cooked, and I'm gonna going to fry other banana as well. So after having paramburi, as you guys can see, it has faded quite a lot, but still it is there. As I said, I have worn this lipstick at 10 AM and now it is 6 PM. So it's been almost 8 hours. Hi! She came in between. Baby, where are you going? Evadicha pone, Punnu? Paakilchu. Paakilchu. Amma verte. Amma verte. Amma verte. Amma varu varu. Amma varu. Hairband pinniyo. Moody pinniyo. മുടി കെട്ടി പിന്നെ മുടി ചീകി പിന്നെ കമ്മലിട്ട് പിന്നെ എവിടെ മാല അമ്പുടാതി മാല അച്ചടാ പിന്നെയോ മറ്റേ കമ്മലിട്ടു പിന്നെ പിന്നെ ബൈ നാളെ കാണാം കേട്ടോ പറയൂ ബൈ ബൈ ഗുഡ് നൈറ്റ് സ്വീറ്റ് ഡ്രീംസ് പ്ലാങ്സ്. So Ima and Vivek has gone to park. So what I was saying is that for 8 hours of wear time, I think it has performed a very good job. You can definitely see that it has faded from inner corners, of course, and also outer sides as well. So that is there. But still I think it has got a good wear time. Since it is of nude shade, it doesn't leave any stain. But then if we are putting on some bright bold shade, it's gonna leave a tint as well. So which is something I like actually. Now let's remove this because I'm gonna take a shower right now and we have to get ready and go out for dinner with our friends. Hey guys, so we are back from. I'm quite impressed and happy with this Stay Quirky lipstick. Obviously I'm not happy with all these shade, but then this shade, this nude shade, and this name is I Woke Up Like This. This is such an amazing gorgeous shade, you guys, especially for dusky skin tone people. This is the perfect nude. Guys, I'm gonna stop the vlog here. It's already 12:30 and I have made Ima sleep, and right now I have to film a video for Onam's special series video. Even though I'm very sleepy because I had quite a lot of food, and not just that, I feel so tired because I have been not sleeping properly for last few days because as you all know, I'm quite busy shooting and editing and all those stuff. So that's it. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.